So good.
G'day guys, Aaron and Jace here from MMT. We're going to be showing you an ASMR treatment MMT style today. So it'll be a nice little 10 to 15 minute video, just showcasing a real treatment, not presentation style though. So it'll be just fly on the wall, enjoy all the sights, the sounds, the smells, and yeah, see our treatment the way it is. Enjoy guys. So if you are liking the look of this treatment guys, we do post this a lot more regularly on our Patreon channel. So we post 3 ASMR videos per week. One is a long form ASMR as well, which is 40 to 45 minutes in length. We work all over the body, no towels, so it's a really good viewing experience. So jump over there and enjoy. We put a video out every single day, some pictures from professional photo shoots, so if you love watching us 4 guys do our thing, yeah, hop on over and guarantee you'll like it.
A few little challenges.
A few challenges there too, yep. A few punishments as well.
Oh yeah.
Jace.
Yeah.
nice spot there for Jace. So we'll just let him breathe through that one.
Oh, yeah.
Keep breathing. Man.
Oh, there's a good one.
It's tight there.
Yeah.
Much more on this side.
Oh,
Man.
yeah. Oh, good flick.
I can see why you've had a bit of stuff on this right-hand side.
Yeah, been there for about a week, I think. Oh. Feels good in that lower back.
I'm going to have to do another one through there, I think. It's just really snaggy, eh?
Yeah, feels like it opens everything up though.
It's even there, I'm moving, but it feels a little bit
Stuck, yeah.
Yeah, but then I hit that midpoint and it's like...
Yeah, I'm trying to sort of breathe into the pressure. And then...
Good line though, man. Yeah.
Yeah. Feels like it's unglued a fair bit from the first stroke.
Yeah.
In there.
Good, man.
Oh, yeah.
Keep breathing, man. Keep breathing, keep breathing.
Oh,
Good,
yeah.
good.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it just feels good.
Unraveling something.
Yeah. Feels like it's opening up that, even though the lower back doesn't feel it, it's decompressing that mid back.
That's cool.
Oh.
I'll try one more in there. I got through that line a lot easier than
Yeah.
That was good. That's good.
Yeah, it's moving so much better through there.
Can you let go of that one a bit? Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like those little wiggles. Yeah.
Good at opening some stuff up. Awesome.
Oh, yeah.
Keep going, man, keep going.
Yeah, I feel like I can keep taking that one even onto the top of the sacrum just a little bit.
Okay. Feels good.
Yeah. Yeah, just some pressure there is good. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
I'll just do one little finisher here for you, man.
Oh, yeah. That's not what you want. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's so good. What a finisher. Oh, thank you.
So tell us how you like the ASMR style stuff too, because we've always done presentational stuff, educational stuff, and even though you're still learning, it's just a nice way to, I think, experience our treatment. So stick around for more of this style content from us. But if you want to see more every single day, go over to Patreon, give it a go. See you guys.
Thanks, guys. See ya.